All right, Noah. You gotta hold on tight. Daisy, can you get the ring? Does Daisy want to get it?
Yeah.
Daisy, no barking. Can you go give it to her? Whoops. How about Ebony? You gonna get it, Ebony? You gonna get it? Uh-oh. Nobody wants to play with you, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, nobody wants to play. Try Ebony again. Ebony, you gonna go get it?
Yeah.
Abby, go get it. Go get the ring from Noah. Noah, go give it to her. Maybe she'll take it if you get closer. Get it, Ebony. Stick it in her mouth. I don't think she wants to play. They're not being very fun, are they? Bye-bye. Do you want to give Ebony a big hug? Oh, that's nice. Ebony, you going to get your ring? Play with Noah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Noah, do you like to play with Ebony? Do you like to play with Ebony? I see you. Oh, did they go out the door and leave you behind? What are they doing out there? They went bye-bye. Noah, can you show Mommy how your new piano works? Let's go see your piano. Come over here with Mom. Want to play the piano? I know, they don't want to play with you, do they? That's not very nice. What do you think? Hey, Noah. What color is your shirt? Noah, what color is your shirt? Hey, mister. What color are your shoes? Blue. Say, come on, Ebba. Come on, Ebony. Noah, you have to move if you want them to come in. Say, come on, doggies. Are you going out to get them? Okay, bye-bye. Wow. And now they're going to come in.